Hello friends, today we are making incredibly soft and melt in mouth Afghani Gola Kebabs. Take the mince in a bowl, add all the dry powder spices, gram flour, corn flour, fried onions, curd, ginger garlic paste and green chili paste, raw papaya, lemon juice, mix everything nicely with your hands. We will be passing this mince through a mincer 2 times to make the mince very fine and to mix all the spices very well. If you don't have a mincer at home, you can use a regular food processor, or if you don't have that also, you can always ask your butcher to mince the meat very fine by passing it 2-3 times through the machine, and then add the rest of the spices and the ingredients and mix them really well with the mince. Mix the mince nicely again with your hands. Make a depression in the center of the bowl by moving the mince on the sides. Place the foil cup in the center and put in the red hot charcoal. Now pour in half a teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter on it for smoking. As soon as it starts smoking, cover it immediately with the lid. Keep it covered for 5 minutes. Remove the lid. Remove the foil cup very carefully. Mix the mince once again to incorporate the smokiness evenly in the mixture. Now we will start shaping our kebabs. Apply oil on any round stick type handle of a spatula and on your hands to avoid sticking of the mince. Take approximately 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of mince on your hands. Make a ball out of it and then pierce it with a stick and shape the kebab tightly into a little elongated oval kebab. Continue shaping the kebabs till all the mince is used. The quantity of mince we are using today, we will get about 24 to 25 kebabs. Take a shallow frying pan on medium-high flame and add 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Fry the gola kebabs till they are evenly golden brown on all sides. You have to keep turning them frequently so that they cook evenly. Since our mince is really fine, they will cook very fast, so approximately 4 to 5 minutes and they'll be done. Take them out on a paper towel and let them rest for 5 minutes before serving. Our gola kebabs are ready to be savoured with fresh mint chutney, sliced onions and lemon. Please like and subscribe to our channel to bring you more recipes from around the world. Villa Chef signing out.